Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. I am dyslexic with ADHD and I survived from brain stroke in the year 2021 because of my willpower and because of positive psychology and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I have authored more than 50 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. And this book is about secrets of your leadership success, the 11 indispensable E's of a leader. This book unveils 11 E's. The 11 E's are the keys to effective leadership. Leadership is very close to my heart, and I wrote this book out of my passion. And I wrote this book 10 years back. It's an award winning book. It received endorsements from eminent thinkers, including Marshall Goldsmith, Vijay uh, Govindarajan, Brian Tracy, and Arthur Karmaji has written a foreword for this book. I have dedicated this book to my two sons, M. Ganesh Sai and M. Ramakrishna Sayee. It talks 11 is they are example, energy, enthusiasm, endurance, emotional intelligence, eloquence, empowerment, effectiveness, execution, uh, excellence, and ethics. It talks about learning lessons from the mistakes of others. I implore you to purchase a copy of this book, and thanks for empathizing with me because my right hand was paralyzed. I am gradually recovering. After brain stroke, I rose like a phoenix. So thank you very much for this video, and also once again I implore you to purchase a copy of this book, which is available on online stores, especially on Amazon.